Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be restoring the Supreme Nike Dunk Spark Root Brown. As you can see, they're really beat. I got them off Goat Used, obviously, for a really good deal. Going to be fixing them up, painting them, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so as you can see, there's a pretty big rip in the tongue. So what I did was I stitched that up a little, and then I stitched it up again just to make it like more durable, I guess, and so it would hold better even though it doesn't look too great. Then I got some replacement laces, and I put some leather filler in this spot. Then I put some acetone down, and I painted this part on the toe box where there's a lot of missing paint. As you can see, I removed a lot of the strings with some fingernail clippers, and this is the paint that I used for painting these shoes. I combined them together, and it was pretty hard getting just the right colors. Then I put some finisher on. I put high gloss finisher on the brown part, and this is me lacing them up in the morning. I just didn't really have too much footage. Alright, so this is what it looked like after I wore them. You could see the paint was a little cracked. These are some before and afters. And as you can see, that spot's not perfect, but it definitely looks a lot better. And when you're walking, you really can't tell how messed up these were, like from a few feet away. This is just kind of some more before and afters. As you can see, you really can't tell that they're messed up or they were messed up. You're just, walking around. But I'm really happy with how these came out overall. Even though they cracked a little in the toe box with the white paint, I'll fix that eventually. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.